Hello everyone, welcome to Konnur English Medium Online Classes LRT. Today I am here with you. I am Kamal Madhar. I am going to teach you social science this year. Let us discuss first the syllabus of social science of 9th class. Here is the chart in front of you. So very easily you can understand how many chapters are there, from which chapter, what type of question will be there, and the weightage of these chapters. The syllabus is like this. History carries 9 chapters, political science 7, sociology 4, geography 10, economics 4, and business studies 3 chapters. Among these you will get knowledge based questions more on history part, means that is timeline, the name of the persons, the name of the treaties, these all everything you will get such type of questions in history part. Like that in political science 2 mark and 3 mark, in sociology also 2 mark and 3 mark, but in geography part, map completely you will get questions completely on geography part. This year, according to the pattern of 2019 and 20, you will get 5 mark questions on map. So that everything will be on geography part. This year, you are learning completely the geography of Karnataka, and that economics and business studies. The question pattern will be as follows. This is the pattern of question paper of this year. This is very important. Why? Because before reading the lessons, we should know what type of question will be there, how is the question pattern. That's very important. The question paper pattern will be multiple choice, will be 8 questions, 8 marks. Each question carries 1 mark. And there will be a question of answer in a sentence, means 1 mark question. Here also will be 8 questions will be there, and it carries 8 marks. This pattern, second pattern. And third one is 2 mark questions. 8 questions will be there. Each question carries 2 mark. 8 questions will be there and marks will be 16. And there will be 3 mark questions pattern. In this, there will be 9 questions and 27 marks. And 4 mark question pattern will be there. There will be 4 questions will be there. It carries 16 marks, and there will be a 5 mark question. This will be completely map. This pattern will be 5 mark question will be there. So 1 mark is for drawing of Karnataka map, and 4 marks will be given, will be allotted on the marking of those places. This year completely you are learning Karnataka geographical condition. This is what we studied about this year. Totally there are 37 chapters. Question pattern will be 38 questions will be there, and 80 marks will be internal assessment. As it is the pattern of 2019 and 20. Suppose there will be a chance to change in question paper pattern. So that is secondary, but we should keep in our mind. Why? Because next year you are going to face SSLC board examination. Keeping that point in your mind, you have to get ready how you can simplify the syllabus of 9th class and how you can face the SSLC examination before 1 year. That practice will be this year. More than this, in 9th class, related to social science, making of notes and taking of notes is very important. What do you mean by making of notes and what do you mean by taking of notes? Taking of notes is nothing but during the class, when the teacher dictates, the students will write. That is taking of notes. Making of notes nothing but when we give homework, when teachers will give homework, students will note it down, and the students in their houses they will read the lessons. Afterwards they will make some of the useful notes of their own. This is making of notes. Next, I will come to the part of how you should maintain the notes of social science. This is the competitive world. In future, if you want to face any competitive examination, the social science subject will play a very important role. That is why, my dear students, I am going to tell you that don't neglect the social science. Be serious in social science. Read in a systematic manner and make the notes in a systematic manner. That will help you in future. Let us study how you should prepare the notes of social science of 9th class. The students usually they will make mistake. Everything they will write how they wish. Instead of that, you need to maintain the notes of social science in a systematic manner. How you should prepare the notes of social science. How you should maintain the notebook of social science. What I am going to say, notes every student will write in a paragraph. But writing of notes should be, some of the notes should be in a point wise. In a point wise, if you have written the answers in annual examination, you will get maximum marks. If you want to get maximum marks, do what instructions we give. Which questions or which part of the lesson you should maintain point-wise notes. Point-wise notes will be on the basis of the questions like, if there is a question, list out the causes and course of any war, if there is a question, or list out the measures which are taken by the government of Karnataka to overcome from the problem of poverty, such type of question. So you don't write such type of answer in a paper, in a paragraph. Instead of that, title should be given, the measures taken by the government of Karnataka to eradicate poverty. After that, notes or answer whenever you are writing in examination or whenever you are writing in notes or in your notebook as a notes. In such cases, what you should do, those should be written point-wise. Okay? Which answers should be written point-wise? Let us study now one by one. That is list out causes, results, achievements, teachings, teachings, contributions, effects, advantages, disadvantages, merits and demerits. You see, these all, whenever you will get such type of question or heading will be there in your textbook after our teaching, what you should do, you have to prepare the notes in a systematic manner. Got it? Okay, here list out means you are going to list out whether it is measures or contributions, whatever it may be. Listing out means that is whatever events are there or incidents are there or contributions, achievements, whatever it may be. Whenever you are writing answer or making of notes, don't write in a paragraph. Instead of that, write down point wise. Give a heading that list out here and your answer should be that is number 1, number 2, number 3. This type where there is a series in such a way you are going to write this here. This is very important. It will help you to clarify, to simplify the subject matter, and where it will help you get maximum marks in annual examination. This is what we are going to follow this year neatly and systematically. Apart from this, which answers you should write in a paragraph? Paragraph notes. Paragraph, here no need of writing point wise here. So some answers will be that is in a paragraph. We can't divide those sentences. For example, if there are definitions, for example, define, if there is a question, define culture or define sociology, define economics. If there is a such type of question, so that answer should be in a paragraph. Apart from this, meaning, how, if there is a question, or discuss, explain, enumerate, if there are such type of questions, those all, everything should be written in a paragraph. So, where there is a series based question will be there or paragraph will be there, so those are all systematically written point wise. This is where you are going to get perfection in social science. This is today what we have discussed, the pattern, question paper pattern and syllabus of 9th class of social science and making of notes and taking of notes. That's enough today. Next class we are going to deal with a new chapter.